Hello, Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to a new special phrase of the day episode from Linguamid. In each episode, I introduce one daily use phrase in both modern standard Arabic and also in Egyptian Arabic. Before I dive into today's phrase, don't forget to check my first comment and enroll for 100% free in my online course Egyptian Arabic 101. It's designed for complete beginner and aims to give you the foundation that you need in order to start learning the Egyptian Arabic dialect. And also don't forget to like and subscribe to this video and subscribe to the channel, and also don't forget to share this video if you found it useful.
No problem. No problem in Egyptian is مفيش مشكلة. مفيش مشكلة. Okay? مفيش no and مشكلة is problem. مفيش مشكلة. So this is how we say it in Egyptian. Repeat it with me. مفيش مشكلة. مفيش مشكلة. To say the exact phrase in modern standard Arabic, we say لا يوجد مشكلة or لا توجد مشكلة or simply لا مشكلة. So you may delete the verb or remove the verb يوجد or يوجد or توجد. You may delete this verb and just say لا مشكلة. لا مشكلة. But usually we say لا يوجد or لا توجد مشكلة. So in modern standard Arabic, it's longer, as you can see. لا يوجد مشكلة. لا يوجد مشكلة. And in Egyptian Arabic, مفيش مشكلة. مشكلة is the same in both, but instead of مفيش, you say لا يوجد or لا توجد. So in modern standard Arabic, لا يوجد مشكلة. لا توجد مشكلة. لا مشكلة, which means there's no problem.
Did you find the phrase easy? Tell me in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the Egyptian Arabic 101 course. Enrollment in the comment section below.